Hi, Stella here again. I'm just unboxing my new Cricut Joy, the Cricut Joy Extra. I have upgraded from the original Cricut Joy. So let's see what we get here. Okay, let's make, whoops, we're upside down. Yeah, upside down. Oops, knocking my crystal chandeliers about. Okay, let's see what we get. Scan for inspiration, tips and help getting started. Well, I've already got the, what do you call it, Cricut Design Space, because I had a Cricut Maker, and obviously the Cricut Joy, so I can just go straight into that and work with the Joy Extra. Now, because I've only got limited space in my room here for my craft items, I thought the Cricut Joy was perfect. And once I started playing with it, I found that it wasn't quite, it didn't give me quite enough. So when this one came out, I thought, I will have you. Okay, what do we got here? Oops, knocking my crystals about. Okay, you can see the size. This is the Joy, and then we've got the Extra, which is a little bit bigger. Well, 1.5 times the size. So awesome! And you get with it the power cords. That goes into there and into the power board. And I've got no idea what that is. You get a pen and whatever that is. I expect there'll be instructions on what it is. Oh, it's a, could it be a poke tool? A weeder, I'm not sure. We'll find out. And then we've got, what is this? Transfer tape. Smart vinyl, why black? Smart vinyl. Smart iron-on. And get rid of the box. Okay, we've got our mat, which is 8.5 by 12 inches. Perfect. And then we've got printable iron-on for light fabrics. So look what you get in here. This is the bundle, by the way. When you buy just the machine, I think you just get that and that. With the bundle, you get all the extras. So this is, yep, iron-on. Printable iron-on for light fabrics. 5 sheets, A4, beautiful. And this is waterproof sticker set. Oh, a waterproof sticker set. Set of what? Ah, you get vinyl laminates, which I have no idea how to use, and whatever that is. So follow instructions, get to know your product, and go to Jennifer Maker on YouTube, jennifermaker.com on YouTube. What do we get in here? This is our welcome pack. You've got the instructions on setting up the machine. And warranty information. And let's get started. And we've got a, I don't know what that is, but it'll tell me somewhere what that is. Smart label. So 2 labels on that one. And this is smart vinyl. This other black one is also smart vinyl. And this is gold. Oh, what a beautiful gold colour. Transfer tape. Okay. I've never used vinyl or iron-on or anything like that with my Cricut, so that's going to be a learning curve. So you get all of that. Now, because I'm a VIP at Spotlight, I got this for $100 off. This is transfer tape, which I've got no idea what you use it for, but I will learn from Jennifer Maker. I'm not affiliated with her in any way, I just know how terrific she is. That's more smart vinyl. The black, gold and silver. Black, gold and silver. And that's the iron-on. To iron onto a t-shirt or anything like that. And what colours do we get here? We're getting red, okay, white, red and black. I'm sure that's the flag colours of some country. Okay, that's that. That's your power cords. I still don't know what this is, so I'm going to pop it with the power cords. I'm sure it will tell me somewhere. Actually, let's just have a look in here and see. Included the Cricut. Let's open it. There's our pen. Just open this and then we can see what's what. beautifully. Okay, and it comes with your cutting blade already in there. And with this one you can do stickers, which I found annoying with the Joy that you couldn't do stickers. This one has got the sensor light, like the larger machines. Okay, happy. So you get the Cricut Joy Cutter machine, the blade and housing, which is there. You get the pen, the welcome card, power adapter and cord, free trial membership to Cricut Access, 50 ready to make projects online, materials for practice cut, and bonus materials. Doesn't say anything about that little gadget. Okay, I won't run through any instructions. Well, that's in a foreign language, so that's it. That's it there. I'm going to suggest it's a weeding tool. It is a pointy blade. It's got a safety thing. So I'm going to suggest it's a weeding tool, and we'll leave it at that. So, that's all our bits and bobs. Okay. And your mat goes in there beautifully. This is a light grip mat, so I will probably buy more mats, probably buy a heavier grip as well, so it will pay too. Thrilled, absolutely thrilled. So, that's it. All these bits and pieces, some reading to go through, some practicing to do, some playing around, awesome, beautiful. I'm looking forward to doing some iron on actually. I've got some blank t-shirts. Doesn't say whether it has to be sublimation or, well, it's not sublimation, is it? It's iron-on. But it doesn't say whether it has to be polyester or cotton, so happy, happy. Can't wait to play. Thanks for watching. Oh, and I bought this from Spotlight in Australia. Spotlight. $299 and free freight. Goodbye. Definitely goodbye. Okay, thanks for watching. Cheers, and I'll see you later.